Hi everyone, today we're on Module 2, Level F of VMath. This is Lesson 3, so please turn to page 13 in your packet and follow along and take notes. All right, this says reading and writing decimals 1, so this is like the first lesson of this. All right, so if we look in, I'm going to zoom in a little so we can make it bigger here. We can see that these are hundreds flats for decimals though. So it's not 100, it's hundredths actually. So here we have 100 hundredths filled in. So this is one whole. And then we have 1/10, and then we just have 1/100th. Okay, so we would put the decimal right there because this is the whole number. We have one whole filled in. Here we don't have any filled in, so we just have 10, 20, and then 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 25 hundredths. So we could write it like 25 over 100 or 25 hundredths, so 0.25. Here we have one whole and then we'll count 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, and then 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79. 1 and 79 hundredths because there are 79 out of 100 shaded in here, and here's the one whole. So how we say this number, we say 6 and 7/10. So we would write it 6 and, for the decimal, 7/10. Here we have 51 and 82 hundredths because it's in the hundredths place. So we would write 51 and, for the decimal point, 82 hundredths. Hundredths. We have that TH at the end. Number 6 says we have 347 and, so we have 347 and is the decimal point. I'm going to rewrite that. Sorry, that was really messy. 347 and 1300. So 13, and then that's in the hundreds place. And then here we have 93 thousandths, so no whole numbers. So we put 93 thousandths. Well, let's look over here. If we have the thousands place, we're going to put the 3 there and the 9. We have no tenths and no ones. So 0 and 93 thousandths. This is the thousands place. All right, so using digits and then using words, we are going to look at this. So if we shade in, we'll just shade in something for fun here. Let's shade in, we'll shade in a whole one of these and a whole nother one. And then I'm just going to shade in 1, 2, 3 of those, and then 1, 2, 3, 4 of those. So now if we do this using digits, we have 2 wholes. Okay, so we have 1, 2, and we have 10, 20, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 34 hundredths. So we would write 2 and 34 hundredths. All right. This says write each number using words. Well, here we have no whole numbers, so we just have 87 hundredths. So we can just write 87 hundredths. It's important to be able to write these so that you know how to read and write all the numbers. Here we have 9 and 37 thousandths. 9, and 37, and then it is in the thousandths place. So not thousands, but thousandths, which is part of a whole. This says write each number using digits, 5 thousandths. Well, we don't have any whole numbers, and we only have thousandths, so we would put 2 zeros, and then we would put a 5 in the thousandths place. This says 402, so 402, and is the decimal, 67 hundredths, so 67, and then we're in the hundredths place. All right, so this says read and write decimals using symbols, numeric form, 8.5. It says in numeric form, the decimal point is read as the word and. So the decimal is always and. In word form, 8 and 5 tenths. So in word form, the word and tells where the decimal point should be placed. Here's numeric form or number, 2 and then and 8 hundredths. So numbers before the decimal point are written and read as whole numbers, so before the decimal point. If there is no whole number, a 0 is written before the decimal point, which we've done before. And then 2 and 8 hundredths, it says numbers after the decimal point, so over here, are written and read as tenths, hundredths, and thousandths. All right, you are going to complete page 15 on your own. Take your time. Good luck.